food today. Tell me what you know about food.
Healthy.
Okay.
Supplements.
Okay. What do you got on the car?
They're a vegetable,
Yep. So does food come from
plants,
and
farms,
what are our farms?
gardens,
And
pumpkin.
animals.
Oh, well,
So food comes from plants and animals. How do we get food? Okay.
Planting them.
Yep. So we plant them, so that's part of agriculture. What did they do back in the olden days that you learned about in school? Did they hunt and gather?
No, yes.
So there's ways to get food way back when well, you can still hunt today to gather. That'd kind of be like going through your garden and through agriculture. And why do you eat food? Why do you need food?
To help us
have
grow.
energy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And energy and
So there's carbs, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in food, right? That helps you grow strong. So what do plants need to grow?
water,
sun, and soil.
Good job.
Of course.
And why do plants need energy? Why do they need food?
To grow. To grow.
And to, how about to replace their worn out cells so they can grow taller? They get rid of waste. Remember, they take carbon dioxide in and we breathe
Air.
oxygen, yep. They get rid of waste and they reproduce. So does anyone know how plants get energy?
From the sun.
No.
Well, what's the process called? Big long word. Photo. Yep.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, yep. So it takes carbon dioxide from the air and meets with water and light to form sugar. Then the gases move in and out of the stomatus, and then the xylem carries the water through the plant. So all of this kind of happens, it's kind of complicated, but it happens through chemical reactions, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to learn about plants. How many do you think there are in the world that you can eat?
About 100.
Cabbage.
How many? The number. How about 2,000?
10. 2010.
There's 2,000 edible plants. So this, I'll pass this around, but this is the sunlight, the water, oxygen, and soil. And then these are all the kinds of plants we eat.
Okay.
So there's fruit.
There's pea.
Oh, hold on, just wait. So there's fruit. What are some guesses of fruit?
Ooh. Wait. Oh, fruit. Apples.
Yeah? What else?
Oranges.
Yeah?
Grapes.
No, that's not a fruit.
Grapes.
Fruit.
Oh my God. Grapes.
How about like
Yogurt.
peppers,
What?
tomatoes, strawberries? Those are fruits of a plant that we eat. What are some
That's
flowers?
a vegetable.
No. What are some flowers? What do you eat that's a flower?
Soil.
No, that's not. That's part of the ground. That's part of the ground. No. Think of a vegetable.
Cauliflower.
Yeah. What's another one that
Corn.
you just love to eat?
Corn.
No. It's a flower. Yeah.
Broccoli.
That's the flower of the plant is what you're actually eating.
Cabbage.
So let's go to leaves. What's a leaf that you eat that's part of a plant?
Cabbage. Lettuce.
Yeah. Lettuce.
Peas. Cabbage. Oh, a leaf.
It's a leaf.
Cabbage and rice.
Think of some other ones that are leaves.
Radish.
Yeah.
Carrot.
Yeah.
Beets.
Yeah. Okay. What about? Let's go to stems. What's a stem that you eat? What would be a stem of a plant? Asparagus.
Asparagus.
What else?
Corn.
No. What's a stem? What are you going to cut off the plant that you're going to eat that's a stem?
Celery.
Yeah. One more. One that your mom likes to cook with.
We don't cook with this. What is it, Mom?
How about rhubarb?
Nope.
That's banana. Oh, yeah.
Okay. What are some
Rhubarb.
seeds that you eat? What are some seeds?
Sunflower seeds.
Okay.
Seeds.
You've already said the other two.
Corn seeds. Popcorn seeds.
Corn. So we talked about what's in food and why we eat it. So it's your carbohydrates, your vitamins, and your minerals. And we talked about how to get food. Or Ethan, how do we get the food?
From plants.
From plants and from gathering.
Natural resources.
And hunting.
We talked about what's in food. We talked about photosynthesis.
We didn't talk about what it was. Can we color
We
it?
talked about photosynthesis. So here's the,
Sun.
hold that up. Here's the,
Water.
Water.
what do you think this is?
Fruit.
That's fruit.
What?
That's oxygen molecule.
What? You never learned about that.
And hold that up. Hold your water up. So all of these things, they make this. They make photosynthesis.
Okay.
And that's how the plant gets to make food for us. So now what we're going to do.
It's color.
Yep.
Yay! Yeah!
Fun part.
Pass those around. Take one.
Honeycomb man.
We got
You
like.
should put these out.
Why do I only get 3?
Well, I'm just stubbing them out.
Yeah.
So you got to share these
I need-
twisty colors.
I need bread.
Just listen. Put your name at the top. Twist them from the bottom.
Don't you have those ones? I know I was.
Hanukkah.
Oh, these are weird. Can I have those other ones? I'm doing it.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the first.
Put our last name.
No, you're fine. We're going to do the first one together.
Onion.
It says we eat.
Onion.
No, just hold on. So what does the directions say? Monica, read the directions.
Make an X on the food in each row that does not belong.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to do the first one together. It says we eat flowers. So we talked about flowers. So cross either onion, broccoli, or cauliflower out. Which one of those vegetables is not a flower?
What was it again?
Onions,
Is that right?
broccoli, or cauliflower? Which one is not a
Is that
flower?
right? Yes, I was right.
Which one do you think? Bella, scratch one out.
Is this a test?
Kind of.
Yeah. I already know the answer. I already saw it.
Which one is not the flower of the plant? What do you,
This one.
how about onion? Right?
Yes.
Onion is not the flower.
Let's go through all of them.
Okay, we'll do them together then. So we eat leaves. Which one of those next three, lettuce, cherry, or herbs, is not a leaf of the plant? It's okay, Annika. Just take a guess. We're all learning this morning. Okay, so who had cherries? Yeah. So the cherry's a fruit. So leaves, well think about it though, because lettuce, you're eating the leaf, the big head of lettuce, you're eating the leaf. And herbs, you
Yeah, but they have leaves on the cherries.
you don't eat the leaves, you eat the cherry.
Duh. People do. Some people.
Alright, let's do the next one. We eat roots. Which one of those, either a radish, a carrot, or lettuce is not a root?
This one's easy. Radish.
Did we all get lettuce?
No. Yes.
There's a radish and
Pick
carrot.
one yet.
Yep. Alright, we eat stems. Which one is not a stem? Tomato, celery, or asparagus?
What? What's not a stem?
Which one is not a stem?
You know that one.
Ooh, this one's hard.
No, it's not. The next one is.
Everyone get a
Oh my
shot?
gosh, Ethan.
Ah.
You're kidding me. Need a different doll.
What's my favorite?
I like to.
Did we cross out tomato?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I looked at that as.
We eat seeds. Which one of those, peas, corn, or watermelon, is not a seed?
Oh.
Yep. Good
All
job.
of them are.
No, because you spit the seeds out when you eat watermelon.
No, I don't.
Well, you're
Can
going
we
to
color
watermelon
now?
growing your tummy.
Can we color?
Alright, so now what we're going to do is I want you to draw your favorite plant food down below there. So sketch it out,
Plant, vegetable, or fruit.
either one. So it needs to be a flower, a leaf, a root, or a stem, or a seed.
What? Can be fruit?
Well, what are you thinking about drawing?
Kiwi?
Yep, you can draw kiwi. So what part of the plant is that?
I'm gonna do.
Um,
Would that be the fruit?
yes.
Okay, so kiwi. So sketch it out. We'll give you.
Which
figure-
ones have seeds and roots and stems?
Yep, pick one of those. So draw it out.
Do you get done after this? Recess? Don't look at me. If you do look at this, it's bad. No. Can I quit too?
I will.
You're fine.
How many minutes?
You're fine.
No, we're not.
It's a sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of get a rough idea of what your favorite
Mama, did I
I'm doing a pink barn.
plant food looks like.
It's actually kind of fun. Is that okay if I just
Oh my God. It's a sketch. It's not anything perfect.
It's my favorite. I'm doing 2 more now.
black and black?
But you can't.
It's a sketch.
No.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
I want that black. No, I don't want that black.
I was like, what? Can I put my hair out and start doing heat if we're done?
It is. Later, Steve.
How many
Coming.
seeds do we need?
Can you have some of this?
Like this one.
Yay, we get Play-Doh now.
I forgot.
Okay, everyone one sketchy?
No.
Yeah, it's a sketch. That's what I'm
Bring that
very
to
close.
We're done.
Alright, so now what we're going to do
It's major.
is, does anyone know who Michelangelo is?
No.
He was an artist, a sculptor from
Yes, I
way
do.
long time ago. So what he liked to do is he would sketch things out that he wanted to make out of clay or modeling clay or clay or sculpture stuff. So that's what you guys did. So what you drew is what you're going to make out of Play-Doh to the best of your ability. So we don't have all the
So
colors.
can we use a pencil?
We're going to do pencil.
I'm gonna draw it.
No, we're going to make it out of Play-Doh. So like Ethan, what do you have on your piece of paper, Ethan?
Kiwi and watermelon.
So Ethan's gonna make a kiwi out of Play-Doh. It's not gonna be perfect, but we're gonna use our creativity and our hands to build our favorite plant food, okay?
The colors. I want to know.
Okay? So I'm gonna give you each Play-Doh and I want you to try and mold what you drew
I don't think I'm gonna need
to the best
Should
you
I
can.
do the small one?
Do whatever you want.
I get the biggest
It's okay, just try and go off your sculpture and make your fruit.
You have to have your medicine too.
Yes, you can. You're gonna do it with Play-Doh in your hands.
You want that?
But now I need more.
It's okay.
I need more.
You're fine. You gotta use with the resources you have.
This is hard. I'm sweet. Are we graded? I want to be graded.
Done.
No, but now I need to make the seeds.
Use your fingernails.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, just we'll wait for everyone to be
Oh,
done.
wait, no, I'm not. It like feels like